Are you in the market for a high-quality industrial sewing machine? Do you want to take your sewing projects to the next level? Whether you're a professional seamstress or a passionate hobbyist, finding the right industrial sewing machine can make all the difference in your work. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 7 industrial sewing machines that are dominating the market right now. We've tested these machines extensively to bring you the most accurate and helpful information. So, let's dive in and explore the best of the best. Starting our list at number 7 is the Singer 40x23 heavy-duty sewing machine. This machine is a powerhouse in a compact package. When I first unboxed it, I was impressed by its sturdy metal frame and sleek design. The machine feels solid and well built, giving you confidence that it can handle tough projects. One of the standout features of the Singer 40x23 is its impressive speed. With a maximum sewing speed of 1,100 stitches per minute, this machine can help you breeze through projects quickly. I tested it on multiple fabric types, from delicate silks to thick denim, and it handled them all with ease. The automatic needle threader is a real time saver. It took me a few tries to get used to it, but once I did, threading became a breeze. The top drop-in bobbin system is also user-friendly and jam-resistant, which is a huge plus for beginners and experienced sewers alike. With 23 built-in stitches, including basic, stretch, decorative, and buttonhole stitches, this machine offers versatility for various projects. I particularly enjoyed using the one-step buttonhole feature, which produced consistent results every time. While it's marketed as a heavy-duty machine, I found that it excels in everyday sewing tasks as well. The adjustable presser foot pressure allows you to sew both heavy fabrics and delicate materials with equal precision. Overall, the Singer 40x23 is a reliable workhorse that offers great value for its price point. Moving up to number 6, we have the Singer Heavy Duty 40x52. This machine is a step up from the 40x23, offering even more features for the serious sewer. When I first started using this machine, I was immediately struck by its robust build and powerful motor. The 40x52 boasts an impressive 32 built-in stitches, giving you more creative options than its predecessor. I particularly enjoyed experimenting with the decorative stitches, which added beautiful embellishments to my projects. The stitch quality is consistently excellent, producing even and tight stitches on various fabric types. One feature that really stood out to me was the extra high sewing speed of 1,100 stitches per minute. This speed, combined with the machine's powerful motor, made quick work of thick fabrics like denim and canvas. I was able to sew through multiple layers of denim without any hesitation or skipped stitches. The included accessories are a nice touch. The walking foot, non-stick foot, and heavy-duty needles came in handy for different projects. I found the walking foot particularly useful when working with slippery or layered fabrics, as it helped to feed the material evenly. While it's a bit heavier than some portable machines, the durability and stability of the 40x52 make it worth the extra weight. The metal frame ensures that the machine stays put during high-speed sewing, reducing vibration and noise. After weeks of testing, I can confidently say that the Singer Heavy Duty 40x52 is a reliable and versatile machine suitable for both beginners and experienced sewers. At number 5, we have the Brother CS7000X computerized sewing and quilting machine. This machine represents a significant leap in technology compared to our previous entries. When I first set it up, I was impressed by its sleek design and intuitive LCD display. The CS7000X offers an impressive 70 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, heirloom, and quilting stitches. I spent hours exploring these options, and the variety allowed me to tackle a wide range of projects with ease. The stitch quality is excellent, producing consistent and professional-looking results. One feature that I particularly appreciated was the improved automatic needle threader. It's easier to use than previous models and saves a lot of time and frustration. The jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin is another user-friendly feature that ensures smooth sewing operations. The machine comes with a wide table, which I found invaluable for larger quilting projects. It provides ample space to maneuver bulky fabrics. The included quilting foot and spring action quilting foot are great additions for those interested in quilting. While it's not marketed as a heavy-duty machine, I found that the CS7000X handled most materials well, from delicate fabrics to moderately thick layers. The adjustable sewing speed allows for precise control, which is especially useful when working on intricate designs or difficult fabrics. Coming in at number 4 is the Juki TL2000 Chi sewing and quilting machine. This machine is a semi-industrial powerhouse that left me thoroughly impressed during my testing period. Its all-metal construction exudes quality and durability from the moment you start using it. The TL2000 Chi is a straight stitch-only machine, but it excels at what it does. The stitch quality is impeccable, producing perfectly even and strong stitches at speeds of up to 1,500 stitches per minute. I found this speed particularly useful when working on large quilting projects or long seams. One of the standout features of this machine is its automatic thread trimmer. With just the press of a button, it cuts both the top and bobbin threads, saving time and reducing waste. The knee lifter for the presser foot is another feature I grew to love, as it allowed me to keep both hands on my work while adjusting the presser foot. The TL2000 Chi comes with a large extension table, which provides ample workspace for quilting and larger projects. I found the machine's feed dogs to be exceptionally good at moving multiple layers of fabric smoothly and evenly. While it may seem intimidating at first due to its industrial-like appearance, I found the TL2000 Chi to be surprisingly user-friendly. It's an excellent choice for serious quilters or those who primarily need a high-quality straight stitch for their projects. Taking the third spot on our list is the Brother PQ1500 SL sewing and quilting machine. This is another straight stitch-only machine that impressed me with its speed and precision. It's designed for those who need industrial-level performance in a more compact package. The PQ1500 SL boasts a maximum sewing speed of 1,500 stitches per minute, matching the Juki TL2000 Chi. In my tests, it maintained consistent stitch quality even at high speeds, making it excellent for long, straight seams and quilting. One feature that stood out to me was the pin feed mechanism. This allows you to switch between regular feed dog operation and a single pin that moves all layers of fabric simultaneously. I found this incredibly useful when working with slippery fabrics or multiple layers. The automatic thread trimmer on this machine is a real time saver. It cuts both the top and bobbin threads with a simple press of a lever. The knee lifter for the presser foot is another convenient feature that I appreciated during long sewing sessions. The PQ1500 SL comes with a wide table, perfect for larger quilting projects. The machine's feed dogs can be lowered for free motion quilting, and the included darning foot makes this process even easier. While it took some time to get used to the threading system, once mastered, it ensures excellent thread tension for various fabric types. Moving up to number 2, we have the Juki 8707 sewing machine. This is a true industrial powerhouse that I had the pleasure of testing in a professional setting. It's important to note that this machine is designed for commercial use and requires a dedicated power supply and table. The 8707 is a single-needle, lock-stitch machine that can reach speeds of up to 5,500 stitches per minute. During my tests, I was astounded by its speed and efficiency. Even at top speeds, the stitch quality remained impeccable, a testament to Juki's engineering prowess. One of the standout features of this machine is its automatic functions. It has automatic thread trimming, back tacking, and presser foot lifting. These features significantly increase productivity, especially in a commercial setting. I found that these automations reduced fatigue during long sewing sessions and allowed for more consistent output. The machine's robust construction ensures stability even at high speeds. It handled a wide range of fabrics with ease, from lightweight materials to heavy denim. The precision of the feed mechanism is impressive, allowing for very fine control over stitch length and fabric movement. While the learning curve is steeper than with home machines, once mastered, the 8707 is a joy to use. It's an excellent choice for businesses that require high volume, high-quality straight stitching. And finally, at the top of our list, we have the Juki DDL9000CS series. This machine represents the pinnacle of industrial sewing technology, and after extensive testing, I can confidently say it lives up to its reputation. The DDL9000CS is a direct drive, high-speed, lock-stitch machine with a maximum sewing speed of 5,000 stitches per minute. What sets it apart is its digital control system, which allows for unprecedented precision in adjusting various sewing parameters. One of the most impressive features is the world's first double digital feed mechanism. This allows for both vertical and horizontal adjustment of the feed dog, resulting in superior fabric feeding and stitch quality across a wide range of materials. I found this particularly useful when working with difficult fabrics that tend to shift or pucker. The machine's operation panel is highly intuitive, allowing for easy adjustment of settings like stitch length, thread tension, and presser foot pressure. The ability to store and recall settings for different types of operations is a huge time saver in a production environment. The DDL9000CS also incorporates IoT, Internet of Things capabilities. This allows for remote monitoring and adjustment of the machine, as well as data collection for quality control and productivity analysis. While I didn't have the opportunity to fully explore this feature, its potential for improving efficiency in a large-scale operation is clear. In terms of actual sewing performance, the DDL9000CS is unparalleled. It produces consistently perfect stitches at any speed, handles a wide range of fabrics with ease, and operates smoothly and quietly. The automatic thread trimmer leaves minimal thread tails, reducing waste and improving the appearance of the finished product. And there you have it, our countdown of the top 7 industrial sewing machines on the market today. Whether you're a home sewer looking to upgrade or a business owner seeking the best equipment for your production line, there's a machine on this list to suit your needs. Remember, the best machine for you will depend on your specific requirements, so consider factors like the types of projects you'll be working on, your budget, and the features that are most important to you. Happy sewing, and thanks for watching!